A decade ago, our family set out on a remarkable island-hopping journey in the breathtaking paradise of El Nido, Philippines. With every boat ride across the crystal-clear waters, we were welcomed by towering limestone cliffs, secluded beaches, and the untouched beauty that has made El Nido one of the world's most treasured destinations. From peaceful coastal villages and powdery white sands to hidden lagoons and vibrant turquoise seas, each stop revealed a new wonder and created memories that would stay with us for years to come. Together, we explored the beauty of nature, enjoyed the refreshing waters, and experienced moments of joy that only family adventures can bring. Beyond the stunning scenery, it was the laughter, the shared experiences, and the simple moments spent together that made this journey truly unforgettable. 10 years may have passed, but the memories remain as vivid as the clear waters that surrounded us. These photographs and videos are more than just reminders of a beautiful place. They are a celebration of family, togetherness, and the precious moments that time can never take away. As we look back on this unforgettable adventure in El Nido, we are reminded that life's greatest treasures are not measured by the destinations we visit, but by the memories we create and the loved ones with whom we share them. Forever grateful for this extraordinary journey, and forever thankful for the memories that continue to bring us back to paradise 10 years later.